Hello, this is needlepointers.com. The surgeon's knot can be used in medical and veterinary settings. However, a surgeon's knot can also be used in the home and in craft and hobby settings. Have you ever had trouble tying something? Try using a simple surgeon's knot. Cross the yarn with the yarn in the right hand over the yarn in the left hand, and you will see it forms like a little X. Now take the yarn that's in the left hand and twist it around the yarn in the right hand to make a half knot, then twist it again around to make another half knot and pull it tight. You now have the two half knots and they form a little wavy pattern. With the yarn that is in the left hand, loop it over to form a loop over the right yarn, pass it through the loop, and pull it tight into an overhand knot. The surgeon's knot is done. Let me show you it again, but this time with some ribbon. Okay, again, you pass the right ribbon over the left ribbon, and as you can see, there's like a little X. Take the ribbon in the left hand and pass it around the ribbon in the right hand 2 times. 1, 2. Then pull them together. Okay, in the other video I said there was a little wavy line. Well, I think maybe you can see it better in this picture. Then we're going to pull it tight, and now we're going to take the ribbon that is in the left hand, form a loop, and wrap it around the ribbon in the right hand and pull it tight. And then, well, I'm just going to tie a little bow on my box. That's how you do a surgeon's knot. I hope you enjoyed learning how to tie a surgeon's knot. Some uses for a surgeon's knot are tying quilts, jewelry making, tying knots with twine, wrapping ribbon around a gift, pom-pom making, macrame, fly fishing, to name a few. Did you like this video? Please like, comment, and share. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter. To follow us, click the iCard or the link in the description section. In addition, visit our website needlepointers.com for lots of crafting information and tutorials.